Hello folks, Waz here, B&B Audio Concepts, and today we have a VW T6. Customer had a Kenwood radio in here from factory, but it was a bit outdated, wanted something a bit newer, so we've now installed this Kenwood 9 series, which is their flagship unit at the moment. Lovely rotary volume. We've managed to keep the steering controls working. The reverse camera is working, and all the other features are working. It's now got Apple and Android Auto, which is what most people want. Full touch screen, full functionality, full voice control. This now comes with a 3-year warranty, and if something like this interests you, give us a ring. It's Waz, B&B Audio Concepts, and we're based in Cardiff. What a lovely fit. This can also be adjusted on angles, so you're never going to get sun glare. Thank you for watching.